exactly
let me give
the
you. Let me
players,
give you.
the substitution, are the coach.
Let me track you back. Military.
Mm-hmm.
This is my track record in the press conferences. People say I'm controversial. I ask the coach. I say, Coach, your substitutions tend to be a bit chaotic. Based on how you make the substitution, they don't look like they have any purpose.
Mm-hmm.
People say, JT, you shouldn't ask the coach that you're too out order. I go back in at the press conference, me say, Leon Bailey, the people think that you're not passing and you're not simplifying the game. Leon Bailey, people say, JT, you too ask too much ranking question. But enough people know say I true this, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Me come ask the coach again about the same press conference. I say, Coach, Jamaica seem like we have a problem defending against those diagonal balls coming into the box. John Wall gave me some answer. I asked John Wall the same question the other day, and I said, Coach, are we playing a zone mark or a man-to-man? You know what the coach said? He says we zone mark when the ball is further away from our goal, and when it get close to our goal, we man mark. So me say then if the players are not man marking then and giving away free headers, it seems like then the players are not picking up their assignment then, right, military? Now that it come after.
Yeah.
So my problem is this. Me living in Scandinavia, bro, and I'm talking about the social construct. Scandinavian people are very stubborn, military. If you look at the coach track record, 50 players in playing at 3 years in Iceland. When the coach came in, I said, guys, you see the coach here, the problem we were going to run into with him is changing players. We need to cut him loss and move on. And we're there now. This is where we are, military. So my problem with the coach is this. If we see that if Latibo there is the hill when he decide to die upon, we have to get rid of him. So first off, I think the coach has to go if him not plan for change. Because why you gonna pick Jonathan Russell, who is in form at his club, and you're gonna pick K-Ray Anderson, who played 2 games for Jamaica. His first game was very good. You don't play him back again. You brought in Chavante Stewart, who hasn't been performing at his club. You left Ronaldo Cephas, who is at his club and playing well at the high level. We don't bring him in, and Demari Grace go down. We don't have another out-and-out winger. Leon Bailey, Leon Bailey goes cold in game. Bobby Reed didn't have a great game today. We didn't have that nether punch coming off the bench. So my problem with the coach is man management, game management, and his strategy. He's a defensive coach because he played defense when he played the game. But Jamaica give up 2 goals every game. So I'm trying to figure out what this coach is actually good at, military, because he beat Tapa for his track record of the weak teams that he beat up. Look at this coach's record. Draw with USA, 3-0 to Mexico. 2 so how are we going to get into that next top tier? That's my concern. Into the top tier where we can sit in a quarterfinal and wait for some team to come up there, come play with. The coach is my problem. He doesn't seem like he's learning on the job. And my final take is he said one thing when he came to Jamaica. He said, when I went to Qatar and I failed, I went there and I said, I came from Iceland. This is how we're going to do it. And we're going to do it the Icelandic way. And I realized it didn't work. When I'm coming to Jamaica now, I have to change how I think and I have to adapt the culture. But it seems like muscle memory is making the coach revert back to his old way of this is how we do it in Iceland. Keep Latibo there out there. When him last in the game, we can't sub and Bailey neither. And we just keep playing and we will get better on a 6-year project. 6 years in 2023 is 3 months, brother. You don't have 6 years to do that anymore.
Yeah.
We have cars that fly on them thing they know. We don't have time to wait for him to build a team for 6 years. He needs to make some tweaks now and get better immediately.
All right.